All right, so we're back putting more accessories on the the Expedition, and I've got these rock sliders that I'm gonna put on. These are directly from Polaris. The build quality on them is pretty good, a little bit better than what I expected. These are about $570, but they've got a 15% off coupon right now and a few other things that you can use on these on their website. You can have them shipped to your dealer. But I'm going to put them on. I'm going to show you how easy it is to put them on. And basically, I've drilled the first hole. And you just take this and put it up to it, drill it out. I'll show you another one right here I'll do while I'm on the phone. And just so you can see. Hold on, it's kind of hard to... There we go. See, I just drilled that tab out. And then you can just... Well, it ain't finished, but let's see. There we go. And your plug-in holes are right here, which is what these go into. And these come with the rock sliders. Everything you need comes with the rock sliders, except the hole saw. And you're going to need an 1 3/4 inch hole saw. You can put it on any drill. This is just one of my lightweight ones that I use. But you put 4 holes down the side of this. And then these 4 will line up. So I'll put this side on, I'll show you. I've got one of these out. Basically, this expands in the spot. Once you put it in there, you can see it. It's just gonna slide in there. These are square. They line up with the square spot that's on this. And then when you pull the nut that come with them into it, it'll tighten up. So I've got all the little plugs in there. This is a 5/8, which is what goes through this rock slider and pulls it to that. So you'll need an extension that will fit down in there over the head of that. So when you line it up, you can tighten that down through there. But these are extremely easy to put on. I mean, extremely easy. So you can see here once they're on. And the reason I wanted these, the low profile ones, I absolutely loved the idea of them. And they're probably going to be thicker tubing than these. But these had a taller lip on them and this wide kick-up bar right here. So basically, usually what happens is you start into something and then your rear will slide over and hit, and you usually hit along this area here. Because usually, wherever you're trying to go, you can get your nose pointed and get it halfway up, and your rear will not follow sometimes, so you slide over into stuff. And I wanted some protection up on the side here. Like I said, these are, I mean, you can literally put these on in 15 minutes. I mean, they are so, it took longer to get them out of the box than it did to get them put up here and on. I mean, it's super, super simple, and you can do it by yourself. I just started by putting the bolt in here and getting it to where it was snug with my hand, and then walked my way back and got up to here. This one was out further, so I pushed it up and then tightened this a hairline tight, and then went down through there, snugged them up, and I mean, that thing's, they're in there. But I use this impact. And you guys see any videos, I use this thing for everything. I'll put a link down in the bio. This is super handy to have in the cab. And this thing's powerful enough to take anything apart on this machine. I mean, this will take the lugs off of my truck, off of this trailer. I use it for everything. It's super compact, and you can, you know, hide it in under the seat or wherever. But here they are on. Like I said, the other side I'll show you without, just so you remember. This is my gang over here. I mean, I did this with my kids down here. They have worked on this box. They're trying to demolish it to put it in the fire pit. Say hey, guys.
Hi. Hi, YouTube channel.
Say woo! We're going riding to Brimstone Friday. If anybody's going to be down there, holler at me Friday and Saturday. Here's the pegs that you drill out, like I said, from the other side. But you can see, also I want to show you guys, this goes a hairline below the machine. So, you know, it's not far, but it's just a little bit of lip below your side. So you're not going to be worried about, you know, ripping the bottom part off or anything. See here? But they're, I mean, I wouldn't say they're like crazy thick, but you can see the thickness of the tubing. And they're braced all the way down. All right, so I've got both sides on. I'm going to show you guys finished product. Like I said, these are super easy. Most of these accessories for the Xpedition are already pre-fabbed and ready to go. So just keep that in mind. You know, like I said, a lot of people, I'm trying to put these videos out to save people money and to help them because, you know, a lot of people don't know how to do this stuff. And, you know, it may not be on the internet. It may. But if it's not, you can see here, I've got a LED light bar that's coming to go in here that a company's sending me. I've got some companies that are sending me stuff for free, some other stuff, but I'm still going to show how to put it on, and I'll always put a link in the bio where you can get it. I'll extremely show you how you can wire these things up. But anyway, I'll have that, and then I'm going to put some lights in the back on these bars here so you can see behind you, because you can't see behind this thing very well at night, just the way the window is and the rear seats in your eyes. It's higher up, but I'll have that on the channel too. Hope you guys have a good day, and like I said, these are easy to put on if you're wanting to save money. Most dealerships are going to charge anywhere from $100 to $200 an hour. It's an hour minimum, and these take, I mean, literally, if I had done this before, I could have them on here in 15 minutes, no problem. So just keep that in mind.